shit was on the floor. Hope you got the motherfucking money, put it on the floor.
On the floor, nigga.
Shit, or put it on the door.
One of them.
Get the fuck out of here. I'm just wondering if she really, if she really gonna stay with Shigel. I'm just trying to figure out, but I'm just wondering if she gonna really love me. Pass the tricks around like, bitch, I'm sipping buddy. When I'm with my cameraman, you know I'm sipping buddy.
27 minutes, bitch.
Yes, I really love the 4 O's and the 4 5s. Why the fuck you popped out now? It's a bad time. Do not put a mic in my hand, I won't rhyme. Why the fuck you overly crying for the last line? Fuck. I can cry with you. Hope you didn't have no fucking place, so I can't slide with you. You don't even know my fucking name, so call me Bob Marley. They better not wish me good luck, cause I'm not Charlie. And I hope they don't think that I'm talking Kurt. Better get your bucks up, take your ass to work. She didn't get wet enough, but I made her squirt. I don't know how the fuck she got this shit on my shirt. What? That shit was on the floor. Let's see what the auto do. It's telling me, oh, got the motherfucking money, put it on the floor.
On the floor, nigga.
Shit, or put it on the